This has changed a lot. I was lucky enough to win the inaugural Battle of the Builders. Each year the competition steps up, and the quality of builds, it's the best I've ever seen.
You know, the second time to win in 2018, I think was the feeling I still get was even more special because you know what the award means. I'm Kyle Tucker and was able to win SEMA Battle of the Builders in 2018 with a '69 Chevrolet Camaro.
The winner of the 5th annual SEMA Battle of the Builders is
Kyle Tucker in his 1969 Chevy Camaro.
The car that became known as Tux, the 2018 winning car, started off with, like many of these cars, pretty humble beginnings. It was a green on green 307 '69 Camaro that I had found in Louisville, Kentucky. I was turned on to, and pretty solid car. It did what it was supposed to do and looked pretty solid. So ended up driving to Louisville and picking the car up, and that's what we started with for Stuart Adams. And the car became known as Tux.
Looks a lot like a '69 Camaro stock, but I mean, it's got Ford parts, Pontiac parts, BMW parts, Mercedes. It's a Harrop supercharger that's been fully machined and polished and then sanded.
You know, for Tux in 2018, because that car had been built over several years and so many man hours going into it, each of these cars evolve. They kind of take on the life of their own as the car gets further along, it gets more refined. And in the case with this car, we had even ARP fasteners machining special fasteners for us for each part of the car, right? So it was really stretching the industry a little bit of some of our vendors and friends, you know, to be able to build that car to the level that we wanted. Yeah, you know, I've always been involved with SEMA for over 20 years now. I love what it does for our industry. I love what it's done for me as a person and our company, and I want to stay involved. And for me, it's important to volunteer and do things for SEMA on different councils that they have, but also very passionate about bringing younger people.
With the 4 segments now, it makes sense. We've got to get new people into the industry, and you've got to give a chance for the young guns to be able to come in here, show their ideas, show their car styles. That's what built the industry, and we have to keep it going.
I think, you know, as you compete in the Battle of the Builders, and especially what SEMA's done to build the recognition with that myself and our brand at Detroit Speed, you know, were moved up a notch maybe. We were looked up to that we were going to bring a good car to SEMA, not knowing we'd win or not, but we always brought our best car.